Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto from your Phantom wallet. Phantom is a popular non-custodial wallet, giving you full control over your digital assets. A fantastic feature is the ability to purchase cryptocurrency directly within the wallet itself. This makes acquiring tokens on supported networks like Solana, Ethereum, and Polygon incredibly convenient. We'll walk through the simple steps to get you started with your first crypto purchase. When buying crypto directly in Phantom, you have several flexible payment options. You can use common methods like Apple Pay, PayPal, a debit or credit card, or even a bank transfer. Phantom conveniently compares real-time quotes from trusted external providers such as MoonPay or Unlimit to find you the best offer. Remember, these providers usually require you to complete identity verification, also known as KYC, before finalizing your purchase. The process for buying crypto in Phantom is straightforward. First, open your Phantom wallet and tap the Buy button. Next, select the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire, like Solana or Ethereum. Then, simply enter the amount you want to spend in your local currency. Phantom will display available providers. Choose one, confirm your payment details, and complete the transaction on the provider's secure page. Your new crypto should arrive in your wallet within a few hours. Beyond direct purchases, you can also fund your Phantom wallet by transferring crypto from a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance. It's crucial to always double-check the receiving wallet address to ensure your funds go to the correct destination. Phantom is a self-custodial wallet, which means you hold your private keys and have full control over your assets. This offers enhanced security, but also places the responsibility of safeguarding your keys entirely on you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.